Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by visiting Accounts. Google.com and click Create Account for yourself. Enter your name and choose a username for your new Google account. Use a strong password with at least 8 characters and unique symbols. Provide a recovery email and phone number for account recovery options. Read and accept Google terms and privacy policy before proceeding to the next step. Complete phone verification if requested to secure your account and confirm your identity. Open Blogger.com and sign in with the Google account you just created. Click Create New Blog and enter a title that reflects your niche or brand. Choose a unique blog address ending in blogspot.com and check availability before continuing. Select a template from the provided options to set the basic look and feel of your site. Use the theme and layout menus to customize colors, fonts, and widget placement for desktop and mobile views. Update your profile with a display name and photo for author identity. In the Blogger dashboard, click New Post to open the editor and start your first article. Add a concise title that summarizes your post in one phrase and attracts attention. Write clear paragraphs with headings and lists to improve readability for online visitors. Use the Insert Image button to upload photos. Files can be up to 10 MB in size. Add labels to categorize your post and choose visibility settings like public or private as needed. When ready, click Publish to make your post live on your new blog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.